All right guys, on today's quick tip, we're gonna be addressing the issue of the front clip popping off on your seat. It happens a lot on some of the factory ones, and the issue, believe it or not, is not the clip itself, but actually on the pan. What I have here is a 2007 to 2014 Tahoe seat cover, and as you can tell, this is a factory cover that we removed. That's the factory clip. This is the clip that we sew on your cover. We actually have this custom made, so it matches exactly. But again, like I said, the issue here isn't actually the clip, but the pan itself. So let me show you how to fix that. So what I have here is the pan out of the seat I just showed you. So I'm gonna show you how to flare out those catches. These tabs here are where that clip actually catches. And these are already flared out a bit just because they have been already fixed. But what you do is you put your screwdriver in flathead and twist it. And what you're doing is you're making this little flare come out more. And so you're gonna wanna do that for every single catch. Right, and like I said, this one probably needs it a little bit more. There we go. And once they're flared out, your clip should snap in a whole lot better. For more videos on how to fix your seat, check these out, or drop a comment below and let us know what else you want us to shoot. We have a ton of videos on our channel, so make sure to check that out as well. Thanks guys.